Did you notice that when you're watching someone on video or on TV and they're looking at you intently and their body movements are purposely directional, you actually pay attention well? Today, that's our topic, how you can catch the attention of your audience using your facial expressions.
Welcome to the cute zone, population you. I'm a big fan of everything you do.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to build your self-esteem while you're creating your social media presence. We can say as many words as we can. We can write, we can send emails, we can text, but it's different when you're actually delivering your message in person or at least on video, because then you can use your eyes to express yourself more or to actually convey your message in a more lasting, impactful manner. When you're in a conversation and someone's talking to you and you're really intently listening, you see, my eyes are locked, looking at you, because I'm trying to listen to what you're telling me. And if I'm trying to tell you something, I am also trying to get your attention. My eyes are focused straight at you. How do you use your eyes? Number one, focus. If you're listening or if you're talking and you want the attention of your audience, look straight at the camera. Talk to them like you're actually talking to them in person.
We talk a lot about feminine empowerment, which means to say that we are strong. We're strong because we're resilient, we are resourceful.
Second, raise your brows. You see, the brows have a lot of power, like when you're talking about something happy. See, my brows are raised, or you're talking about a secret, or you're trying to introduce a really important topic. Second, your mouth, your lips. When you're happy, when you're delivering something good, smile. And you know what they say, you can smile with your teeth showing, or you can smile without your teeth showing. The secret is you should feel that your smile is extending to your temples. That's when you know you're actually smiling. Like when I smile like this, I can feel my muscles moving. Or when I smile like this, I can feel my muscles actually pushing towards my temple. That's when you know that you're smiling. That's why they say she's grinning from ear to ear, or she's smiling from ear to ear, because you're feeling those muscles pushing towards the temple. And you know, lip movement. You know, when you doubt something, do a little pout, or when you're a little suspicious, how the mouth can actually, coupled with the eye movement, express something about you.
To look sexy, raise your eyebrows, squint your eyes, bite your lip.
It really depends on how you move your mouth. Moving your eyes, your eyebrows, and your lips will actually help you deliver your message.
Don't change. If it brings out the best in you, stay the way you are. Like lipstick. Keep your favorite lipstick.
If you reached this far in this episode, I hope it's because you liked our topic. And don't forget to comment, share, and like. And yes, subscribe to my video. And then that way you can help me spread the good news about how you can keep your self-esteem glowing on social media as you build your profile. We're all about confidence. We're all about self-esteem. And you got to manifest that confidence however way you're spreading your social media brand. Don't forget to sign up for my newsletter. I have an online workshop coming this fall. It's part of my From Purr to Roar workshop series, and we're building your self-esteem and confidence, of course, around social media. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.